just want to take a video of this fidget spinner. It's blue and yellow. It's new. I bought it today at Five Below. Yeah. Switch fingers. There's a hand to hand. There's a hand to hand. Hand to hand without throwing it. And there's a hand to hand like on the camera. Dang it. That's some cool tricks that you could do with your fidget spinner. Yeah, it's really cool. Illuminati. I may be live streaming soon. Maybe not a live stream. Subscribe, punch that like button, and click the notification bell because I may be live streaming soon. Obviously not a live stream, but for 2018 spring. So that means I'm gonna be recording a ton of videos with my friend. Okay. I was going like in my house, right into my porch. Wait, which one do you want to go? Alright, we're gonna go to Ewan's house. Alright. So I'm gonna be recording a ton of videos. My goal is to get to 100 more subscribers before the end of spring. And that's about it. Well, say goodbye.